Kansas City, is it time to upgrade your home's exterior? Since 2003, Energy Pro has been installing the finest siding available. Our installers are certified in vinyl, steel, James Hardie, and LP Diamond Coat products. New siding will beautify, insulate, and increase the resale value of your home. Let us show you a siding solution for every budget and turn your old, ugly home into a new showplace. Hey, welcome to this week's Energy Pro Siding Update. We're in the Parkville Platte Woods area. We do an awful lot of siding in the North Kansas City area. This house you'll see has an older dated look of shake shingles on the outside and the typical panel siding on the ends and back of the house. The typical panel siding that causes so much wood rot in the Kansas City metro area. So our siding crews removed all the shingles and installed a new Royal siding product, 6-inch lap, and it has a foam insulated product already adhered to the siding for extra insulative value. If we can help you with your home project, give us a call.